Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adeola and welcome to a beauty, fashion and lifestyle channel. Okay, and to all my new subscribers, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you. Okay, and those of you that have been passing by, just breezing in and out, please, what shall it profit you if you come across my content and you don't share with your friends, you don't subscribe, you don't like, give it a thumbs up. Please share, subscribe and make comments on my video. I would really appreciate if you do that. Okay, so in this video I will be sharing with you how to powder contour. I know a lot of ladies are struggling with contouring and highlighting and all that. Contouring has to do with structuring your face according to your face shape. So an oval, the way you would contour or highlight an oval face shape is different from the way you would contour or highlight a round face shape. Do you understand what I mean? But in this video I'll be sharing with you very simple, no stress powder contour. You don't need your concealer, you don't need your foundation, just powder contour that is so easy that you can do in like 2 minutes, and it lifts, highlights your face and contour wherever you want to contour. Do you understand? It still gives you that feel of highlighting with the normal foundation or concealer. You get what I mean? Your girl got you with easy. Life is easy. Life is easy. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so what do you need for this highlight and contour? Obviously you need your setting powder. This is benign banana, so you need your setting powder. For me, for my oily skin, I always always go in with this, my invisible press powder, oil control press powder, just to block some oil. Then I'll be using this Zaron face definer. I'll just real quick show you how I go about it, how to go about your powder contour. Let me take this hair backwards so it doesn't disturb me. I'll bring it forward when I'm done. Okay, so like I said, I will go in with this invisible oil block. Even with this, sometimes I just use this invisible oil block and then I already feel like I lighted my face. So gradually I just dab in, dab in. Because as much as possible I don't want oil to come out through this place. So for an easy way to know where your highlight should get to, just smile. Okay, just smile. The highlight is just supposed to be above your cheeks this way. Okay, so I come here to where are you supposed to highlight? You're supposed to highlight places where light naturally falls on your face, and that's your forehead, your face, your cheek, high cheek area, and here, and then your nose bridge. Naturally light falls on that part, so those are the places you would want to pronounce on your face. So highlight is where you really want to showcase on your face, where you want to pronounce. Contour is for places where you want to conceal, you want to hide. Do you understand? So it's not so visible. Okay, so this is just for blocking oil. So now that I want to actually highlight, I go in with my setting powder. So what you need is your setting powder. You can use a beauty blender or a damp beauty blender or a brush. I'm going to be using brush because I know not everybody knows how to go about this damp beauty blender stuff. So make sure you're not taking in too much. So you're not taking in too much and you're spreading it across your face like you're dabbing it all in across. Already you can see that this part of my face is already popping out. So yeah, make sure you're not just placing the powder on your face, you're actually dabbing it into your skin. Okay, so come over here too, yeah, then here Okay, that's done. I'm going to go in with, this dark powder from my, face definer. So you shouldn't put in so much, pressure trying to get product out. As much as possible, let it be like, light on the brush, then you can, go over it as you feel, the need to. But don't pack a lot of products on your brush. Okay, so I feel this is fine for me. So I come here again for you to know where to contour. Below your cheek, just like your cheekbone. And don't start from here, so that it's easy to blend out. You start from like the middle part or here, and then you dissolve it all the way to your cheek area. So just watch what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to do same thing to this other side. Like I said, this is a very mild highlight and contour. Very mild, nothing too dramatic, but it's also going to give you that same effect. All right. Some people, contour up until like here. If you want to, you can. If you feel your face is very round and you need to, yes, you can do that. Otherwise, you probably don't need that. You don't need to get here, or it's just to give you like a cheek lift. You understand? It's just to make you feel like you have, cheekbones. You get? So yeah. So I can just, it shouldn't be too much. You feel like you have too much product, just wipe it off on a tissue. I'm just going to wipe it off on a tissue now. So yeah. Then you blend out. Blend out. Okay, places you also need to contour at like the edges of your face this way. Just put it in. Pull it in. Yeah. Okay, once you're done, you can get a beauty blender. I would have used a brush, but a brush is not going to, define what I want to do the way I would have loved to. So I love this particular face puff. So I'll go back in with my with my setting powder, get some product on this, and then just underneath this contour, see, it's still all powder. You see, I'm just going to define it. Okay, and then do the same thing on the other side. So dab it in. Dab the product in. Okay, so for me, this is it. If I still want to go in with this, I can. Then the bridge of my nose, just come this way. Yeah, so at this point we're done. What you just need to do is go over it with your powder. Just dust it off. Okay, so as you can see, my face is defined. Like I already feel like, I did my contour well. Like this is, you're good to go for an everyday, I'll just, real quick, just apply my blush over it and my highlighter, and then you see what I'm talking about. Contoured and highlighted. You can see how it looks now like I have cheekbones. So that easy. It's super easy, so you don't have to stress when you want to go out, you know, and you feel like, oh, let me, you know, conceal some fat on my face, or not fat, not necessarily fat, or you just feel like you want to, you know, define your face properly. You can just do this very easy, very simple step, and then you have given your makeup another, you know, lift entirely. You have given it, you know, another transformation. So give this video a thumbs up, share to friends and family. Don't be that, you know, stingy person in the area. Don't be that stingy babe on the streets. So please share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.